Okay. It's black screen now. There we go. Works. Okay, so I just made this zombie. Well, I downloaded it. I didn't make it myself. Just to make, like... Just to show off for a second. Okay, after this... Also a walk. It's just idling. There's a walk. Or the attack, I guess. Okay, no, that's not it. Wait. That's just an attack. It will be fine. Now we're gonna make a blend space. Wait. I only got idle and attack. How is he gonna walk? Blend space and the rig. Legacy. Blend space 1D. EU4 mannequin. Skeleton. And we're calling this BS zombie. I'm just gonna save this and save the other one. Then we go into the blend space. Axis speed. Speed. Max volume of 275. Weight speed on 5. Where's the weight speed? Weight speed 5. Smoothing. Oh, just crash. Okay. Well, that's nice. Yeah, I would like to restore whatever I had. Okay. Ah, damn it. Alright. Still exists. It's not that far back, I guess. Legacy, then space 1D, the skeleton, DS zombie, speed, 0-275. It was weight speed on 5, moving out. And then we were about to go up the idle there. There you go. It's 0. Jog forward rifle. Why? Okay then. I totally forgot where my animations went, but okay. Jog forward rifle. Backwards forward rifle. There. So now you got this when he slowly turns to holding a rifle. I don't know why a zombie would hold a rifle, but it's just this way, I guess. My bitrate is lower. Where's my bitrate? Lower than recommended. I'll up it to 9,000, I guess. Even gonna make... Okay, there it goes. 9,000 now. I don't know how much bitrate you need, but I upped it. Something. The audio stream's current bitrate is 0. Am I even talking? Is that what's wrong? No, that's not wrong. And I am very confused. Okay, you know what? Hello? You know what? Hello? Okay, okay, that's gonna... I'm sorry for those listeners. It sounds alright for me, but I don't know. I'm not an expert. I'm gonna have fun. Oh wait, that's my own stream. Wow. Okay, so we made a jog forward rifle. Now we're making animation blueprints. I have no clue why, but we are. U4 skeleton, I guess. AB zombie. Speed. Is valid. Question mark. That doesn't work. It is valid. There you are. Velocity, velocity. Vector length. All this speed. It's valid. I go into the atom graph. Is that really all I had to do? Wow. Just wow. And here we're gonna go use our blend space we just made. The blend space. I don't know how, but like that. No? Wrong one. Is it? Is that zombie? Guess it's her person idol. And now I need to be as a zombie. This layer. Then for bone. A third person idol and a blend pose. Don't wait at 1. And we're gonna connect this with that. Now we need to go look for the bone. I don't know where we were supposed to. Oh wait, we're going to EU4 mannequin. They're here. Clavicle, whatever that means. Clavicle hour. Or the left, okay. It's kind of weird because my instructions, oh, there it is. That's what I got. And here we are going to an array. I don't see for some reason. Hello? Here? Config. Material. Details, so. Hey, I'm searching for a layer setup. Branch filter? Am I even the right one? It looks like the right one, but where is it? What do I need? Because I need to click. Okay, no, not the button. I'm screwing up. There's the left clavicle. I'm confused. Bench filters, blend mode. Can we just go back? Get it. Nothing. Am I in the right one? You need this bone. Are we going to add a socket, or are we going to... Clear, blend, propose. Okay, it's in here then. There. So now we just add the clavicle. Branch filters, one array, two members, bone name, clavicle. And we're going with a blend depth of 2. Ah. Okay. it just keeps. Oh, and it's clavicle R as well. We got clavicle left and we got the clavicle R. Also a blend depth of 2. All. Then we're gonna add speed. Which speed is this? Default hasn't been... Okay, there. So we now got speed, we got a blend weight, we got this animation going. Chats, nobody there. Preview editor. No. Oh, what do I keep? Actually, that looks pretty good. I'll save. Doing anim speed. And then preview there. just standing there. Okay. Interesting. And I will make the zombie attack. Animation. So create another animation montage and it's in create anim montage. Attack 1Z. Attack Z1. Montage. Oh, montage. Okay, that's not what I wanted. But okay. That wasn't there. Montage empty. We'll click. Then we got this. Do we have? No. Montage slot manager. Gonna create a slot for upper body. This in the upper body. Is not what is supposed to happen, I think. Just change it to upper body. Save and quit. Animation blueprint, zombie. Slot, default slot. Oh, never mind. Wait. Eh? Yeah, it's the dot. Slot, default slot. This is gonna be broken. Leave them there, and then movement pose. That's not it. Save. Cached slot. Oh. Cached pose. We're calling it movement. Movement pose. I mean, use cache movement post twice. I want it. Layered blend per bone. Default slot. Smaller. There we go, and connect that with this. Here we're gonna change this to upper body. Here we go, and character bones, and then we're gonna bone names. Clear blend per bone. And back to this. Wrench filter. Spine. Spine 01. Blend depth of 2. I have no clue how that's gonna fix the other one, but... Oh, it is fixed. Okay. Okay. A win is a win. It's fixed. I don't know how, but it is. Now we're going over and making the AI. Section to AI character blueprints. So we're going back to my blueprint class, wherever I put it, because I just imported a lot of things. Not gonna tell me that I have no clue where did my blueprints go? Ah, there it is. AI. We're gonna put a character. Friend character. BP AI undead. Here we are gonna go and select the mesh. Mesh. Mold skeleton mesh asset. SK again. Class zombie. Gonna rotate him. So minus 90. Oh, never mind. That was fine. That's not gonna be either. It's here on the heights. We're gonna lower him. And we're gonna rotate him. Random class. We're gonna give him a color. So we're gonna materials, overlay, or just element. Gonna tell me that this doesn't exist anymore. I'll just zombie red. There we go. It works. That's all. It's all that matters here. This works. Oh, and now it shows up. I had to compile it first. Clear that. I'm gonna red zombie. Red zombie. There we go. After this, we go and tracing. Make collision. Custom on. Yeah, that's fine. Hi, Ramils? Ramils? I don't know. I'm late. I'll rip. Probably gone. I'm just trying to do these things. I can't have all my tabs open because I don't have enough screens for this. I just have them all stacked, hoping that something's gonna happen. Okay, so multi-camera. Yeah, that's right. And I'm gonna add a component audio. Zombie mode. There we go. That's a bit large for a sphere. DP damage. Let's see. We got this going. And how Yeah, I added a sound. Auto activate. Activate is on. I need to add class settings. Interfaces. BPI damage. Not like it's gonna work because my shooting isn't working, so nice. BPI damage. Now he's supposed. Where is it? There it is. Receive damage. Implement event. Add an input to receive damage. Oh, we're gonna add 3 inputs. Damage. We're gonna add a impact location. And we're gonna add a hit bone name. Add a float, add a vector, add a name. And from this, we can have BP AI undead. Wait. Okay, you see this now with the edit nodes, I guess. Get out of BPI damage now. We can go in here, 3 inputs, and add a variable. We have so many variables, but okay. Health is a float. And we're gonna compile this, and the health is instantly gonna be 100. Editable and expose on spawn. Name equals head. Select float. Gonna 5 edit here, 1 edit here. I think damage X multiply damage there here. Then we need the health. Let's subtract it. The damage. And then we need to make a set health. A way I can lower this. Without it. Get too confusing. It's fine. Set health to branch. Branch. Unless we're equal to go. We're gonna do once. Deactivate. Audio. And set collision enabled. On the mesh. Physics only. Set simulation. Set my keyboard. Simulation. Set simulate physics. Also with mesh. Gone. This is gonna get very confusing. Now we need a third one behind this. So we have simulated physics. We need to add a radial impulse. Also with a mesh. So I'm gonna... Can I just... do that? There we go. I have radius. With a 2000 strength apparently. I do. Constant, and will change to plus. Now the origin of this has to go all the way over here. This is gonna get kind of confusing, but I'm just gonna loop that under here. This. OCD, OCD. There. And now we're gonna set a collision enabled on this. Enable a capsule component. Collision, a delay, and a delay of 5 seconds, but I don't have the patience, so I'm gonna put it on 4. And this destroy actor. This way we have a very long line. Well, very long line, it's not even very long, but it's alright. Is anyone else here now? No, no, alright. Give me the rifle. Little stretch. How long have we been going? For about an hour. Oh, that's nice. Nice. But now we need a blueprint BBC. Of assault rifle. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I already made one. I had to adjust it because my doesn't want to work. And just no? Yes? Oh. Okay. I mean, does it work? Where's my... How is it still... One slower. I would say it works, but at the same time it looks very glitched. Because it's not a shotgun, a rifle. Oh, there was a shotgun. And that's invisible. Okay. Take the rifle. Just take it. It looks better with something on it and nothing on it. Yeah, this is definitely an assault rifle, isn't it? We're gonna go to weapon trace, which I fucked up, but okay. Can receive damage. Oh, does damage is 0 now? What the? What is damage 0? There's... Okay, you know what? You... Gone. Impact. Normal. Impact point. Location. The hit bone is the bone name then? Hit bone name. There you go. It should probably look better if I just... Now we're under here, so Yeah, there's still winning. There. Anything else? No? Okay then. Now we get to implement it into the level. I'm gonna go to where the start is because, yeah, start. And I'm gonna go to my BP, AI, and that. I'm not certain if I can shoot yet, but it's gonna crash. Oh? Oh, it's a simulation. In simulation mode. Was? Hello? Oh, I'm on the rocks now. Hi. It's not working, it's not letting me shoot. Okay, at least you hear the sound. I'm gonna need to adjust that. Even the crosshair is bugged. I'm so gonna have to redo that. I mean, the sound works. Oh, I actually have to shoot him now. Well, I can't. He's supposed to fall down if he takes damage. But as you can see, I screwed up the crosshair. I'm gonna redo that right now. Second, I'm gonna don't show anything. I don't want to show something I don't want to show. In the meantime, I guess, yeah, look at my chat. Welcome to my live. I'm speaking alone, building my fantasy gun. What is this? If I knew, I would tell you. A fantasy gun? It's more a fantasy game. Not sure. I think everyone left already, but I'm trying. So, shooting is not going well. You see, is there any, like, way I can find? There's, like, the U5 shooting. Is there a source? There's a source. Okay. Be closed. That has to be closed. I'm gonna share the screen in a second. So I went wrong with the shooting somewhere. The zombie works fine. Just can't do the damage on the zombie you're shooting. What I'm gonna do is get the source. I need to let's do this screen. Okay. monitor. There we go. We're back to this. So, demonstrating animation.
Hi, and welcome to Demonstrating Animation Blueprints. And
I don't have time for
my name
this.
is Tim van Kan, and I want to help you become a
Oh,
technical gameplay designer like
a different
myself.
person.
I've worked with Unreal Engine daily since
7 years in Unreal Engine. That's
all the
kind of
way to
impressive.
we'll be working.
Number would scene. Okay, this is just introduction. Player character mesh animation modes.
Here and hello and welcome to
Norwood.
implemented so far. If we go to Blueprints, Character, press play.
He sounds
I'll
more.
be able to walk around. I'll be able to aim my weapon and fire it. Or to have a look
I would
at
say he sounds a bit Dutch.
Or it's just a basic blockout level. This is a little bit easier when it comes to testing. So it looks very familiar to the it's idle. We can change this mode.
Just give me the aim. Animation sequence.
To use an animation asset. Maybe this is going to be an NPC character that's never coffee. And this is him getting up. If you can the initial position speed of it, if we put it 0.1 time at the animations, we're having a proper look at animation sequences.
Okay, cool.
And this will quickly off in our play with it animation. The top right here, we can see these 5 buttons, and I'm going to focus on the first 4. So first off, we have the skeleton. This holds all the bone informations, which is used to create animations. In the second part, we have the skeletal meshes. So different can male person jump.
Is he gonna say anything I
from this
need?
module. We'll dive deeper into
There's nobody here. Wow, what a surprise.
In this module, we do one by right mouse button, animation, animation blueprints. Let's take this one thing at a time. First, we have the and this is now connected to the output mode, which will result in it playing the idle animation. Going over to the event graph, this will be a big relief. For most of you that have followed my other courses.
Production. Anim graph. I haven't made an ABP before, have I? ABP post-processing? I didn't make that. I made this one, I think. We have a fall loop. Yeah, I definitely made this. Oh, I've been here, let's put it that way. All the tabs that are open. That's the holster. Hello? Okay, never mind, I don't know.
This is basically a blueprint. So north, when we press right, fine. Different animation.
Wait, where did I put my shooting? There has to be something with shooting, right? Okay, that's concerning.
If we are falling, now we do a blend post. We have a, you can say jump happens really is falling. It's really limited just because it doesn't automatically do it if the this case, it doesn't to idle. All of our variables create child.
Wouldn't it then be a mistake for my blueprint weapon? Where's the crosshair? You have a camera trace, you have a for duration. Why is there a weapon trace 1? Or weapon trace? An arrow? Multi damage. It's not gonna shoot anything. It's not. This is a child class, so is there any... Okay, there's fire weapon, which doesn't work. Did I get the right one? Oh, I don't know. Aim offset. What is he doing here?
Down.
He's aiming down.
Use is down with at our aim offsets. Look for them. In this module, sounds to the game. Particles. Let's look for Q for all the. Also one particle.
I don't get it.
Still hear them when going forward and right as well, but if
He has
right,
a crosshair already. Where did it come from? Where did it come from? Where's the crosshair? Kind of funny. That's in the UI. I made a UI for crosshair. Draw as border box image. Have it red. Okay, that's not it. The amount of confusion I currently have is mind-boggling. So I definitely did something wrong here with the crosshair being like this. Did he? Okay, there was no event graph, so strange. Like this, there's a black borders here. What's it called? Game. Oh, fuck. We definitely have like a game. This is wrong, I think. I think the material just is wrong and I should have just made this part invisible. The black parts were invisible. I'm gonna have to not show anything. I forgot the source I got that from. I can just already fix that. That the border is gone. It's something. I got it from a site called Game Icons. So I'm just gonna make it plain white, and the background is supposed to be invisible, if I can. No background. I get the PNG. Quickly gonna add the PNG to the project. Icons, and I'm gonna add, there is a crosshair. I'm gonna add this to the crosshair map quick so that I don't show my actual files. Show an explorer. I'm gonna swap out the crosshair with the other one. We have crosshair 1 now. There we go. Import. Oh. Put this out with that. There's absolutely no difference. Okay. That works too, I guess. I'll share my screen again. I don't think I'll need. The preview is very cool. It's just invisible. If I now swap out this with that, what if I now go in here and try to aim? Okay, that's just nothing now. I ruined it. Oh. I got my top screen now. If I don't screw it up. That is. So why does it now not show up here? What if I took the other? They both don't show anymore. I screwed up. I did. User interface, it's a texture. Go back to we have a crosshair, that makes sense. If I open this, it's just that. If I open this, it's this. So I guess I just took out the black. So yeah, now it's just gone. Image 0 is gone. M crosshair is gone. That's what I just changed. M crosshair is not working. So I'm gonna go back to M crosshair. There's something that happened here that shouldn't have happened. I did it right though. It's showing up. Crosshair. Oh. Supposed to be opacity mask and not the screen position. There. So now if I go in the level, it should have fixed it. Oh my fucking... It's just the same thing. Okay, so that didn't work. They give it a reddish tint. Yeah, it's the exact same thing. But why? This is the exact same thing, just... How is that orange? It doesn't, it doesn't make much sense anymore, does it? It instantly goes to pink. What if I try... Oh, it's because this... This color matching. Draw as image. Adding no tile. 1, 1. XY. Brush is supposed to be... Get it? The crosshair changed. It is still wrong. So 0 const. Color. About right. I don't get it. I just don't get it. Why is it wrong? I can't come up with a reason why it would be wrong. It just works for him and not for me. This. Crosshair. Supposed to be an image. You can see the ring, but... Wrong. Mine just looks like this. I don't get it. I really don't. Widgets. BPW. Brush icon. Brush. Image. Red, but I don't. Why it does this? It shouldn't be doing this. Hmm. Image. It has to be somewhere else then. That went wrong then. Crosshair. Blend mode. Oh. B. Masked. Masked. And now go back. There we go. Okay, that's something. It was just this one button I didn't know I overlooked. Okay. I'm happy with that now. But now it still doesn't work. I'm happy it's invisible now. E. It doesn't even aim. Scrunch. Oh, God. So now I just need to go to the event graph. So this part is done. It's invisible now, so that's something I changed. Oh God. It's gonna take a while. With the third person mode is somewhere I put it. I have no fucking clue. Where did I put the third person one? character, I guess. No, this is the new thing I added. Friends. No, that's starter content. Epic content, and then here character, I think. I lost my per person. Where's it? Epic no, Northwood, epic content. Epic content, there's third person. Let's just get in here. I need to create the crosshair so that didn't go wrong. So here UI. Where's the crosshair? This is such a mess. Why did I do it like this? Interaction. Gameplay. Crouch. Create. Weapons. And a montage. And holster. Damn. It's supposed to be in here. Somewhere. I think it's gonna be in begin play. Yeah, right here. That's fine. Crosshair widget. Doesn't have nothing in it, apparently. Now we need to go and find the aiming one. Which is this one? No, that's fire. Aim weapon. That's fine. That works too. Aim. Will look like. Show. It. And then we need the BPI weapon interface. Have I implemented my interface? I have BPI weapon. I have a BPI weapon there. Go fire and reload. Nothing in it. Gonna be a category default. Everything is fine. Now we're going to the BP weapon. Blueprint weapon. This. And we have a reload and a fire weapon in here. Event reload, event fire weapon. This. It's the parent. Interesting. Weapon, child class. We go and look at the skeletal mesh. Put an arrow in it. Which I've done. An arrow on it. I'm just gonna change this to something that doesn't look that bad. I changed it because I thought it was the gun that was wrong. Or I just can't change it. That's possible too. Here we go and make a weapon fire effect. Weapon fire effect that's gonna spawn an emitter. MF1s. There is an emitter here. F assault. That's P assault rifle. Hey, it is a P. MF1s. Okay, that's fine. Gonna promote that to a variable. We're gonna the arrow, the trace, the get world location, world transformation, the split struct, and fire emitter scale. I just one. One. So confused. How is this? It definitely doesn't fire, so because it has to spawn a sound at location, which it doesn't do. The weapon fire effect isn't being used well. I don't know why. This is all okay. We are going to make an exact, which is this. Sound of a gun. LP tail. And fire sound. At the location of the arrow. Return note. Gonna be a category. Your template. Weapon fire effect. That's a weapon fire effect. Now under weapon fire effects we have an emitter, a emitter scale and a sound. That's wrong. Hey, why is there that weapon fire style and not sound? It's supposed to be sound, which is a sound base, but it looks like the wrong sound base. I mean, it says it is, so kind of confused. Just kind of. That's all okay. We have the ammo type, which is a reload time and the damage, apparently. That's wrong. Oh wait, it's because it's... Anyway, it's ammo and max magazine. In here. Integer values. Integer. Weapon fire sound. Those two are integers. Integers. Max magazine ammo is 30, and we're going to go over to the event graph for event begin play. I don't find. Wait. Oh, there it is. Max magazine is this. Then we have a reload, which I don't see as well. Why do we have a reload without the reload? What happened here? We have a reload weapon custom event, which isn't this event reload. Guess I'll just add it. Custom event. Reload weapon, which is a delay. To that ammo. To max magazine ammo. We're gonna change this to a variable, the duration. We have a reload time and then we have a duration. That's the... Wait, we have a reload time here. Reference. You have a reload time here. I think we just changed this. Yeah, look, we changed this. Not needed. You have this. There's a reload weapon. Let me make the reload bar, which is all this See. We have a UI for reload bar. There's a reload bar. Which also has a canvas, a progress bar 0. Out of canvas, we got a reload bar. We put it right there. We add an animation. Get the reload animation, so it just fills up the bar. It's done. I can skip all that. A custom event. This. Got animation. Float. Reload animation, a reload here. It's gonna have an input of a float. Reload time. Not replicatable. We have an animation. So let's progress bar here. Animation reload. There we go. This is fine. This works all okay. Let me just skip all this. Hmm. With the reload weapon. Is check. Where the fuck did we just go? I already lost. Was BP weapon? We added an animation. We have a create WB reload bar widget because for some reason we have another title for it. We have a reload animation, we have a reload time, we have an add viewport, a reload time delay, and then we have a max magazine ammo. Set the ammo up. Now we're gonna go weapon fire, which is this one. We're gonna have an ammo, which is gonna be branch up here. The reload time that's gone for some reason. Why is it gone? Yeah, play sound, but we don't have a reload animation anymore. just plays a sound for me. It's frustrating. The weapon trays down here. We have the 2 event reload and fire weapon. Here's where we created the library. Library, BPL trace. Convention library. Library, we got a camera trace. This. There's something wrong with my draw debug. Yep. Damn it, I don't know. Vision. So confused. The camera trace to a sphere trace by channel. We have a get player camera manager. A transform component. And that goes to a get world location. That one is to get forward vector. Then goes to a multiply. This goes to a float camera trace. Camera trace is at 5000. This is a float. Okay, this is alright. This goes to a plus. This goes to end. The one goes to start without the plus. Quality none. Base color. Supposed to be there. Then we are gonna go and do a radius on here, which is gonna be a 1 radius and a draw debug type, which is gonna be none. Doesn't make sense to me anymore because then we're gonna add a return node, and that's it. I am so fucking confused. Camera trace. This goes to a hit result. Out hit. Now we can get a camera trace in every other level. Now we make a child weapon. We got a BP weapon, we got a BPC assault. I don't know which one I did this on. Okay, so I did the other one. Which one is getting loaded? I gave it texture, so maybe just the gun. It's the gun that's wrong. The gun is wrong. My character isn't using the gun I gave it. Not the BP assault rifle, at least. It's the other one that it's going after. Third person, blueprint. That's the wrong gun. BP weapon. There, now it's the right weapon. But is it gonna do the same thing? I think I just attempted to like do something about it. It's not doing it. It's still not doing it. It's not playing sound, it's not doing anything. There's no animations on it. Kinda buggy when I walk. That's pretty cool though. I like that. So I think the main mistake here is the animations, because it's not playing. The animations aren't playing. I'm gonna just go into assault rifle. Weapon trace, custom event. It's not a custom event either. This is not supposed to be custom event. There is an event weapon trace that isn't custom. What if I now do it? That would be funny. If that fixes everything. Nope, nothing yet. I know. I fix that. We now have an event weapon trace from the parent listing. Image camera traces 8,000. For duration. No. I got a duration, a break hit result. There's a sphere traced by channel. Is this? For duration. So we have an out hit. We have a break hit result, an impact point. We go for a get world location with the arrow. Get world location goes down here, and that goes to impact point. And we have a get forward vector that goes to 8,000. Return a plus. I'm pretty sure this is not gonna make any like difference, but he uses that one. Then end. Then we can go to a hit actor. Go here. Hit actor, and that goes to a receive damage. Wait, what? That goes to a display damage. A branch. And receive damage, so that's this thing. A true. Why is mine with 3 things? This with 2. Now we go and make enhanced inputs. That's fine. He's now in BP third person. I guess it's this one then. So weapon. Back. Front weapon, fire. Is it sprint? That's Event tick. Fire weapon. We got a target as BPI weapon. Front weapon, which is the gun we're holding. Is aiming. Gotta aim. It's already different. Wow. I don't get it. I absolutely don't get it. Yes, Brent. I know. How do I make it so traces it? There's obviously something wrong with the trace. Where? It's a sprint. Maybe this line trace. Location, line trace, visibility, camera, for duration. Oh wait, this is sound. Surface type. The amount of confusion I have right now. Aim weapon. Timeline 0. A few. Fire weapon. Why is it unholstered? I don't understand what is going on here. I have no clue. Absolutely no. No at all. It's supposed to already show like a line. And I don't have anything here. So confused. Chain. Okay, so what's going wrong? The weapon is instantly reloading, which shouldn't happen. The gun doesn't want to trace, but I think it's because it thinks the gun is empty. So do I have a way to like give this gun ammo? Because the reload bar is instantly starting with every click. There's something wrong with that. If we go here and go to ammo, it's 0 instantly. So I'm gonna set ammo to 30. Same thing on the BBC assault rifle. Okay, I can't. If I now give it 30 ammo, Will it change? Oh, there is lines. They're just not pointing the right way. It sounds. Oh my god! Why is it doing this? I didn't even notice it. Wait. So there is a tracing. It's just going to the ground. That's kind of funny. I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of funny. So was that because I did the... What's it called? The BP weapon to 0? That's damage. It's reload time. What if I do this back to 0? I didn't notice that last time. Oh, it still does this. It's still doing it. It's it's tracing, alright. But it's not when it's firing. Alright, let's play Snake. Didn't even notice it last time. There's something changed here. I'm basically a snake now. So, something went wrong with the tracing. Okay, but it's tracing something. It's not tracing the right thing, but it's tracing something, so... It's pointing to the ground. I guess it's in here. It traces to the ground. It's pointing the wrong way, and it's instantly going without me wanting it to happen. But there is something going on. Oh wait, I know what it was. It's because I put the blueprint, the third person blueprint. I added this for duration. If I didn't do this for duration and instead just went, oh hey, yeah, I don't want this anymore. It's probably gonna go back now. Not showing. So there is a mistake in the line trace here. So yeah, it's gone. It's not line tracing when I'm walking anymore. That means there is a mistake somewhere in a line trace by channel. So where did I put a line trace in? We're gonna go to a final reference, I guess? Okay, that's the only line trace here. But why doesn't it want to shoot then? We got BP weapon. I have a feeling it's because these are wrong. If I'm fire weapon, then it's going to a reload. That's fine. No line tracing here. what if I change this to duration? So we're gonna hold other gun. I'm gonna try to shoot. It's not gonna do anything. Okay. It's not supposed to happen. Not this. But it has to have something to do with some kind of camera trace. So BP weapon? Do we have one in here? What did we just change? There's a weapon trace like this in PPC assault rifle then. Let's do this for duration. It's definitely something wrong with this thing. So if I now take out my gun, nothing changes. So annoying. What the f... To just rebuild all of this. Demolish and rebuild. Might be the best option here. I have no clue. Like, there is something going wrong here with the reloading isn't doing it because it's instantly reloading. It's something to do with that. Just clicking the trigger in general is kind of messed up right now, and it's not playing a animation. That's the wrong one. A fire weapon and reload weapon. We have a BPI interface. Okay, damage. Now there's BPI weapon as well. Have I checked the BPI weapon yet? I don't think so. Why do we call this... We call this, for some reason, there's nothing to it. It just exists. It's kind of strange because you fire a weapon here, but you don't really do anything with it. So Like you get the BP weapon. Where do we use a BPI weapon? Next to that part with the fire and reload, which you don't even use anymore. Do we? That's BP weapon, that's a BP weapon. Why does it exist if we don't use it? And where do we use it? That's the better question. Where do we use this thing? There, receive damage. Why is that the only place where we use this? It doesn't make sense. All the other things use BPI, BP weapon. From BPI weapon, we use this and then we start this. Okay. That's cool, but it doesn't work. Gonna scrap it all. Let's fucking go. I want to scrap it all. Hey, CV. Delete it. Doesn't make sense. Where else would you use this? Why are we using it to begin with? What is this? Ammo here. We have BP weapon here again. The weapon trace. Doesn't make sense. What did I... We're gonna weapon trace a thing that doesn't exist. Makes sense. Wait, we're weapon tracing this. So then this starts, and we are going to weapon trace. What are we weapon tracing? We're doing this. Still doesn't make sense because it's not really showing. What are you making? Oh, this is just a project I'm doing with the evening school. So it's just a game, well, small level, little level, and we start here. We're doing a couple objectives where we have to open this bridge. So I have made a button that does that for me. It's locked, it's open, there we go. But before we have to do that, we gotta find the gear that's on here, which is invisible in game, but yeah. It just completely bugs out and I don't like it. It just completely bugs. And now I'm working on shooting an AI. The crowbar here, and I added... Well, there's 3 houses, not this one, not this one, this one. Which inspect, and then there's a door key potentially in here, or down here and here. And the thing is, if you pick up the key, this falls over. So it just falls over and just... You can't move here, so you gotta go back all the way up here. My PC is lagging even though it's so expensive. All the way back, go up here to the office. Also screwed up. The open door here is locked, and then there's a gear on the table whenever it's... there's a door key. There's a gear, and then you can put it on here, and wait, where is it? You put it on this thing. And this button is unlocked, and you can go down this side. So I've been busy for hours making this, and it fucking sucks. It just fucking sucks. So this unlocks. This unlocks. DPC gear machine. This is done. It should unlock. Never mind, it just doesn't. Works too. Doesn't want to work. So this is unlocked by that gear, and that way I have a whole system set up. I have like a small little level here on my own, but I'm currently working on shooting because it's not tracing, and this is a zombie, which also makes sounds, but I'm frustrated. I mean, it's all available on the Unreal Engine like website. If you work with Unreal Engine, it's up there. It's not really mine to say it's mine. It's just it's available to everyone. I just use the map because it's easier that way, I guess. It's suggested. The old Western style, he called it a Red Dead Redemption type of level. So we had to hide keys in here and add those things. I only added the key on the wall. Task is put it that way. The key in here. Well, it's all invisible, so you have to break the barricade first before you see the key. It just gives you the last house, and that's the part the key will be in. Even if you can look through the door and just find it out that way. It's available on Unreal Engine if you're interested in checking it out. It's a map from like 20 gigabytes. Epic. It loads, it loads. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Oh. It's not supposed to be here. So it's just the Old West Learning project I'm using to, well, to make a level out of it. I didn't make this. I downloaded it. It's available for free online, well, on Unreal Engine Marketplace. Which I should promote because I'm kind of using their stuff. I'm kind of using... Wait, there's drivable cars. I'm gonna make Roblox. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to read any of these. This is like my first project. I was like, okay, I just want to make a hut. It went terrible. It just went absolutely terrible, and I love it. I put so much time into that as well. Okay, so back to screaming at things that don't work. How did I screw this up? Okay, think about this logically. We have a fire weapon that just is supposed to do this, but it's not doing that. So it's not going past this. Just straight up reloads. It's not playing any of these sounds. It's not playing a fire effect. It's not weapon tracing. It's reloading. Yeah, this works. It reloads every time. So every time I click, it just reloads. Does it make sense? It makes the reload bar appear with the delay and the reload. What am I doing wrong here? Reload works. The fire effect doesn't. This doesn't work. We don't have a fire effect. We don't really have... Yeah, we don't have anything here. The arrow... Sure, but... Matter location and what's spawning, it's supposed to fire. Where do we use the weapon fire effect? We have a weapon fire effect there. Supposed to do this. It's not getting there. It's not. It just thinks it's empty. We're gonna change this back to 30. Sounds logical. But it doesn't want to. It doesn't even go here, because even if there's no sound being played and it's supposed to play a sound. Can I play the sound? SQAR. SQ. AR dry fire. It's supposed to play this. Which I don't know how to... Oh, there, play Q. Like, you have these empty things. It's not playing. So it gets stuck before this happens, which means it probably doesn't go here. Is there a way? Wait, let me check. Is there a way I can put this up here and just try to simulate it? We're trying to debug this. I'm gonna play this. I'm gonna get the gun. I'm gonna fire. Not doing anything here. What was it? Control F1? Oh, not that one. That one. It's not even... Wait, is that... It's seeing the gun? It is seeing the gun. It's crashing again. Back to this. It didn't even go here. What does it do then? There has to be a reason. Oh, I'm underground. Next to that. Why did it spawn me up here? So we have this. Grab the gun. Fire it. Nothing happens. Is there anything... Like, wait. Go to the third person. Go to third person. Because obviously it's starting here with the third person. The problem is not sending through to the gun. Is it even possible to show this? No, it doesn't even show it to me. Not in the viewport. Does it even work? Okay, so we got a... This is the sprinting one. There's the gun. There's the gun. Apparently, if you fire a weapon or reload a weapon, it's going to fire a weapon. Okay. Doesn't make sense. This doesn't even play. It's not doing this. It is trying to do that, so it's instantly firing a weapon. And it's instantly going to reload. What's doing that? What's causing that issue? We have BP weapon. So it's instantly reloading. I put the max magazine on 30, I put the ammo on 30, but it's still reloading instantly. Bye, CV. The event begin play is ammo is max. Oh, this hurts my brain. This hurts my brain. I should have asked him. I'll ask him later. I'll just keep going because this is not making sense to me. I don't have the time to waste here. I don't have enough time for this. It's not like I'm gonna publish this and like do stuff with it. It's obviously not my map. Okay, so we have been going for about 3 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours? Something? Something? 2 hours and 30 minutes. I would take a break here. I would take a break here. Just stretch your legs. Get another drink because I am out of anything and I'm getting thirsty. And I'm gonna continue with AI when I come back. Because I can't, I don't have the time to stand still here. Well, I do have the time, but I like to finish everything before going back and debugging. Simply because I then know that I have time left, and that's when you fix the mistakes. Okay, I'm back. Alright. My stream is apparently unstable. My average stream bitrate is too high. That was too low. Oops. It's too high. So I'm gonna lower it to 8,000 then. 6,000 was fine, so I lower it to 7,000. Let's put it that way. No, let's go back to 6,000. I think it's because it's fluctuating because I'm multi-streaming. So it has to go like, oh hey, yeah, it's too high. Because my internet is too slow. Average stream bit rate is too high. But it's literally fluctuating between 10 and... Did I ignore it? I'll just ignore it. It's not too high, it's 6,000 now. Just... Man, am I even talking? Yeah, I am. Okay. Let's get back into the Unreal Engine. I was working on AI, so let's just keep doing that. I don't know how to do the other thing, but I'm sure if I do all the other stuff correctly, I'll be fine. I'll ask him next week. So now we have a character. If you shoot him, he's supposed to fall, but we can't shoot him. So how do we do damage to him? Next to brain damage, because that's what I do to a lot of people. Also, is there not any like copyright-free music that I can use? Free music, free background music. No copyright background music.
No.
Yeah, I know. You go for something. Where's something like, guess cozy? I don't know how loud this is. Okay. For me, it's very loud, so it's something keep me entertained for now. Okay. I have a problem now that I don't know if it's gonna be copyright free or not. I'll notice when my streaming goes out, yeah. it's still unstable? It just keeps switching between 10 and 2. Let me just stop that, start that. It's still unstable, but it's better than stable. It just keeps going up and down. That's probably not gonna be fun to watch. I mean, YouTube does the same thing here. I'm sure it's fine. I'm looking for any... Wait, now the YouTube stream is excellent. It keeps giving me suggestions to lower it. Or up it. Okay, let's just keep working on this. So we're using a pawn and a controller and a event die. BPAI die. He's gonna die. So we're gonna make an event dispatcher which is died. This. We're gonna call died. When I figure out where, it says out to deactivate, so it's between these. If it allows me to. Drag it a bit backwards. Deactivate. And it's call died. Let me make a new class called an AI controller. Is it this? AI controller, it's this. And we're gonna call it Gary. No, not new blueprint. BP AI Undead controller. This is just too much. I'm not a coffee shop. And we are making a override on possess. So event on possess. Cast to BPAI Undead. With a bind event to died. This go here. No, doesn't look right to me. Gonna add a custom event. Stop behavior tree. want to go. I'll end the stream here. It's midnight.